you need to import it because it's a module. So whenever module is there, you need to import that. This is one thing. Okay, there are the two functions which are there for pickle module. One is called as, that the process is called as pickling. So this is again your examination question. There can be a question of what is pickling and what is unpickling. So pickling function is dump, right? And the unpickling function is your, I'm putting like this, pickling function is your load. So that means whenever I am converting, my dictionary or my list or my tuple into byte streams, so I will definitely use a function that is called as dump. Very easy. And when I just want to read the objects from the binary files, that time I will use load. That means in this scenario, we are not going to use any write, we are not going to use any read. We are going to use dump and we are going to use what? Load, right? So quickly we will just go with the practical one and then we will stop today's video or today's chapter. Okay, so let me go with the practical first. Okay, so great, hope you have noted down this. So what we will do, we will just import pickle, spellings must be right, and then D is you can say it can be a list, it can be a tuple. So just we will go with the list. List means it's a pair of brackets, and I say 1 is a roll number, and is a name of a person. I can put like this, and she's a female, and I can put the age or something, whatever I can put, that is my choice. You can put any number, any name and all, right? Then F is an object of the file which we need, because we don't we don't mention that we don't require open, we mention write and read. So here we need one particular file. So suppose I use a file pick dot, I say dat. Now dat is a file, that is a data file. We need to mention it as a dat, we can't mention it as txt or anything. So dat, and then we say double quotes and comma, and then we have to put this one compulsory, W and B. If you are not putting B, that will be a that will be the old file which we are working normally and all, write file and all, it will not be a byte stream. So you need to put B here, and you just put it as a like this, isn't it? This is the great. Now what is next? Because we are importing pickle, so we will say pickle dot. When we say dot, automatically one particular function is there. You will be able to see, that is dump. You are able to see here dump. I need not to use it, it is already there. So I'm just using. And what you want to dump? I want to dump a file that is called as pick. Okay, that's great. Then the object which is the name of the file object, that is a F. This is a syntax, and F dot close. Very good, great. Now run this quickly, execute this. Okay, that's great. We are able to, it says pick is not defined. Do you want to pick? That means it says something is wrong here. You don't want, you can't give it like this, the names pick or pickle or something. So I think I have given the wrong name here. So I just go with that particular file and I'll just see where the problem is. So what it says, I have mentioned import pickle, maybe the spellings and all, pickle dot dump, it's good. Or okay, I just use a different name for this because maybe that is one of the reasons. Sometimes it's like that. So I say P and I say run this. So run the module. Okay, now P is not defined, it's again saying you the same thing. We just go with this your book, what exactly I have given the same thing or not. So pickle dot dump and list values, that is your the values I have given, and the file object list values means what, where the I have given, I think somewhere I am wrong, because D is the value. No, I have given the wrong value. D, why I am saying this file is okay, that you can give it pick. So do I find that okay, this D I have to give, not the pick or something else. So D means the value which you want to, and F means the file object. Now if you just run it, run the module, sometimes happens like this, and now it's perfect and it is not showing any error, right? Now where I will check it, just go to this position, refresh the thing, and because the path is the same, just P, just search for the P, that means pick. There are many P files. So whether the file name is the same, what is the file name? I think I don't know what is the file name. I think file name is the same. Oh, I have not given any path, so it will take the random path which is in the document file. So what I do, I just use a path here. It's better to go with the path. So C slash, so don't worry about it. So C colon slash, oh so sorry, again slash, then what is the path in my case? Users slash, so del, don't worry about it, slash, and now run this program again, run this, okay, and now it's again not showing any error. I just close this, I just go with the terminal, I just search for, refresh it, and what was the file name? Pick, I think I have given, oh, pick file is there, and you are able to see it's something different, that file, and just open it, and if it is opening, so you will not find it is giving you that, oh, I am not able to support it or something like that. So if you want to open it anywhere, so you can just open with any notepad or any other app. So we will just go with that, we will see notepad, will the notepad, and always, and I say, so now you are able to see how it has given it in a in that particular byte stream we are not able to see. Now okay, it has given in a byte stream. Now I want to, okay madam, you have converted it, now I want to get it back, so how to go with? So again you just need to change it, this, you don't use this D here, just this F is equals to open dot this, the file path will be the same, but instead of W here will be R, that's just the main thing, and instead of dump there will be one particular file. Now you will change the whole here, you will say D or data is equals to, you will say pickle dot, and again you will say load, 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 and you want to load, what you want to load? I want to load file object, right? That's the thing. And if you are not going to print it, how I can get? So you need to go with the print statement and print what? D, that's it. Now if you just try to run the code, if I have given a proper pickle example, I have saved it in a proper way, then it will retrieve it. So definitely it is going to retrieve it, isn't it? What are the key points we covered? File, the opening of the file, closing of the file, write file, read file, tell, seek, pickle module, all the things which are there in your book,